Hello and welcome to part 1 of Project 2, Platformer. I'll start off with the code and then what I did in Unity Editor. For level parser, we did most of it during class. We start off with this block of code. If current character X, which is over here in this text file, basically the rocks, the ground, we would construct right here the world position. We would instantiate the prefab, and then right here we would set the position. I just did the rest, which is basically the same thing as that one, with the question block, the bricks, and the stone. Okay, we did this one too during class, time control. That's what I called it. We basically have these two variables called time text and time left. We did nothing in the start function. Right here on the void, I mean the update, we just decrease the remaining time and we update the UI text right here. This is exactly the same thing as time control. I just use the way when you get coins, the score goes up on another class. But I just did this one to update the coins, the coin text. This is the trailing zeros. So it would be, I'll type it in real quick. It would be like that at the beginning, and then it would, yeah, right here, it would increase just like that. All right, I'm here at score control. Now, I did nothing on the start function. Right here on the update, what I'm getting right here is a mouse position. You know, if it's left button, if it's pressed on the frame. Right here, it is just it's a converting the string position to a world array. Or this would be the declaring a hit container, and then right here, these two right here, it would just to be performing the raycast. In these two if statements right here, if they hit the objects that have a certain tag, for example, question or brick. For question, it would increase the coin count, which is what I did this one for. And then it would be adding the score by 100. It would be increasing it by 100. This is the same thing, similar to this one right here, just increasing the score by 50. And this is what increases the score. All right, so let me move on to the Unity editor. All right, I'm right here in the editor. Where is it at? I believe I did create some materials for them because we did it during class. Oh yeah, right here. I have materials for each one right here for brick, question, rock, and stone. So let me just go in, play this. And let's see. Okay, I might just skip to when it actually loads. So just hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna have this, and it's more simpler to see than on this one right here. So take a quick look at these ones right here, these objects. If I tap on it, it should be destroyed. So let's see, and it should look different as well. So bam. Oh yeah, and I did put a message to the console, brick destroyed, and it should have, yes, it increased my score. And the timer's going down as well. So let me do that with these ones too. Brick destroyed, brick destroyed. Now my score should be at 150. It is. Alright, let's see what the coins. Well, yeah, coin added. 250, 350, 450, 550. Yes, sir. Alright. Let's go all the way to 100. And I did edit. Yeah. So I did it so that whenever this would increase, that the amount of coins, the image would move as well, so it just wouldn't be stuck in one place. So I'm just gonna quickly tap that. Let me get all the way to 100. $80, $90. Alright, so I'm at 99. Take a quick look at it. It should move, so let me see. Oh. Okay, here it is. So we could see it moving at real time. Let's see. Bam. I like to see that. Alright, that's been it for part 1 of Project 2 Platformer. Thanks for watching.